All right, guys, we've got the SLOJP Wi-Fi extender repeater. This is a great product for boosting your wireless signal if you like maybe a room in your house where you use your internet a lot. It's further away from the wireless router. This is going to be a great method for basically strengthening that signal for downloads and uploads for videos, all that kind of stuff. So I love the compact design. I've done a few of these. This is, I think, the sleekest, it's the smallest design I found so far. All you do is we just plug this into the wall here. And once again, it's going to work. You can either straight up plug an Ethernet cable in from your modem, or if you're like me and you have a wireless router in your house, it'll connect via your 2.4 gigahertz signal or 5 gigahertz signal. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut to showing me set it up to see how simple and easy it is to use. I actually am in a room in my house that's furthest away from the router, and my signal gets dropped a lot, so we're going to see if this works. All right, guys, so here's the unit. What we're going to do is we're going to plug it into the wall, and we're just going to see how easy it is to set up. So there should be a Wi-Fi signal that begins to show up on the phone here. Just going to look for it. There we go. I think this is it right here. Yep, okay. Let's get it. See what it walks us through. All right, so this is pretty self-explanatory. It's just pulling everything up. Go to repeater settings. All right, and we just choose our signal. I guess we'll go for 5G. Next. Oh, we select 2G. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm going to type in the password here. So I'm going to take that off screen for a second. All right, guys, so we've got the password. Basically what you do is it's going to walk you through a place. You select the 2.4 and 5G settings for your router or your Wi-Fi, and then it'll ask for the password for your Wi-Fi. And what this is going to do is it's going to connect this device to your router, so they're almost part of the same unit. We're going to click Finish Settings right now, and you can see how it's applying the settings. So I just wanted to run through with you guys how easy it is to set this MFer up. I mean, this thing's super easy to set up. And what it really does, it's super practical. If you've never used one of these before, it just extends the Wi-Fi in your house further. And it keeps that strong signal going further around your house. So some of you may even get a couple of these if you've got maybe a ranch with like a really long house with a lot of different spaces that kind of stretch out from the router. This is going to come in handy if you have any dead spots or weaker zones. And you can see how easy it was to set up. This is now part of the Wi-Fi in the home, and I have a better signal in my bedroom now. Congrats.